Today we're going to be looking at short-run cost curves for a firm and how to find profit loss and then what that looks like in the long run. In order to find profit on a short-run cost curve for a firm, first we're going to draw a graph. So you're going to have your Mr. Darp line here, and then you're going to have your marginal cost curve line here, and then your ATC or average total cost is going to go here. And then once it hits the marginal cost curve, it's going to have to go right back up. Now to start finding profit, we're going to dot down from the profit maximizing point, which is where the marginal cost curve crosses the Mr. Darp line. And to clarify which curves are which, I'm going to label them marginal cost curve, average total cost, and then Mr. Darp or Mr. D. So to find profit, we're going to go from this line where the marginal cost meets Mr. Darp and dot down to where it hits the ATC, and then dot over here. And this area here is the profit that the firm will make in the short run. Now to find loss on a short run cost curve for a firm, we're going to pretty much redraw the same graph that we had with Mr. D here. Our marginal cost curve here. The only difference though is that our average total cost is going to be up here. So it hits the minimum, it goes back up. So marginal cost and then the ATC. Now in order to find loss, we're going to go again to the profit maximizing point, which is here, where we're going to dot up until we hit the ATC. And once we hit the ATC, we're going to dot in here and dot across. And then this becomes our loss. Now the last two graphs were short-run cost curves for a firm. And now I'm going to show you what this looks like in the long run, where there is zero economic profit, though there is accounting profit. So the graph is going to look relatively the same. Again, you're going to have your Mr. Darp line, your Mr. D. You're going to have your marginal cost curve, MC. And then where your average total cost is going to be right here, and then dip down. So what this looks like at the profit maximizing quantity, you're going to go here and dot over. And as you see, there's going to be no loss and there's going to be no profit. And this is what it's going to look like in the long run as firms enter because of the profit and leave due to the loss. This is eventually going to stabilize this market for the firm, and the firm is reach a long run equilibrium. And what this means for this firm is that the market has stabilized and no firms are going to enter or leave, as no profits being made but no loss is being made. And so this becomes long run perfect competition and long run equilibrium.